We know so much rides on this being well built.
Sheila, what did we just do? Like, what did we do?
So are you going to make sure that that railing doesn't scratch the patio door?
Yes, but you'll just keep losing more and more space on the inside.
Did you get pictures of your windows?
Those were not the windows. You guys lied to me to get me out of the room.
Aww.
Much longer than I thought. I'm like the pretty details. There's nothing sexy about afraid.
So it's 70 days to Tampa. They probably have, I don't know, 45 days to completely build an RV.
It smells. It just smells.
It does.
Well, what's
How long does it take to get it?
I don't know. I don't know that. She's the expert.
Josh, don't be so dramatic. You're never going to get a girlfriend like that.